Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Monday, August 3rd, 2020. And the signal I decided to share for you is for GBPAUD, okay? Great British Pound versus the Australian dollar. And if we look right here on the 4-hour chart, we have a very strong signal to sell, right? Now, this is good because if you see the indicator painted on the previous candle, meaning that the indicator has not repainted, okay? So, and the current candle is already dropping, so that's a very good sign that this will continue to drop. But however, there's always the chance that it could keep going up. We don't know, okay? If you sell right now, you might be in trouble if the price keeps going up, okay? You don't want that to happen. So what we want to do in this particular case is very, very simple, okay? All you have to do is draw a trend line. Go right here on the toolbar, click draw trend line, and we're going to go from this point down here in the bottom. I'm going to draw up just like this, okay? And you're going to mark all these points right here. This will mark your support going up, okay? And that's exactly what I want to do. This is a classic textbook case of using trend lines, all right? Now, yes, we have a signal to sell, but we also need to wait for this trend line to break, okay? Now, on the 4-hour chart, this could take another day or two. We don't know, okay? My guess is that it probably is going to drop and then go back up again and eventually break, okay? This being a 4-hour chart, it could take another, 5 or 6 candles at least before it breaks, okay? So we're looking for another day, day and a half before this actually breaks, okay? And then once it breaks, I would prefer for you to wait for about 2 candles to break below and then place your trade, okay? And then to close your trade, you can either wait for the opposite blue arrow using a 4-hour chart, or you can wait for the opposite blue arrow using a 1-hour chart, okay? Either way. If you use a 1-hour chart, is a little bit better. You have less profit in the end, but you won't have your trade open for so long, okay? If you use a 4-hour chart, you might have your trade open for an entire week versus 1 or 2 days using a 1-hour chart. So it's kind of up to you how you trade this, but either way, this is a perfect textbook case of how to use a trend line. You can also draw Fibonacci if you want. Let me delete this trend line. If you want to draw Fibonacci, simply go right here on the toolbar and click on F to draw Fibonacci. And we're going to click down here on the previous blue arrow and click and drag up to the current red arrow here, the top of this candle, just like that, okay? Try to redraw this a little bit. Oh, it's not letting me. Being stubborn. Alright, so anyways, that right there would work. And what you want to do in this case is put a sell stop pending order just below the 23.6 with take profit just above the 38.2. Okay, so and how we do that is simple. Just go to new order right here and change from market execution right here to pending order, okay? And then for the type of pending order, we're going to choose sell stop, okay? And then right here it says at price. We want to select a price that's a little bit below, and I'm going to pick 1.82 350, and take profit wants to be a little above the 38.2, and I can pick 1.81 600, okay? Kind of make it even a little bit, and bam, okay? Now we want to kind of, I like to have, it's not required, but I prefer to have like an equal space here and an equal space here. So this right here looks perfect, so I'll leave it alone. And if we look right here to take profit, we got 750 pips in profit. So that's really good for one single trade. Now if you want to repeat the process, you can put another pending order here and yet another pending order in here. This way you have multiple trades to open and close fairly quickly, okay? So, but if you do use the Fibonacci, place a pending order, I would just go ahead and just use one pending order for now, okay? If it looks like it's going to keep dropping, then you can add more pending orders, as it goes down the line. But either way, it's up to you exactly how you trade this. But that's my free daily signal, GBPAUD. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments about this particular signal or any of my other Telegram signals that I post every single day, you can feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first, okay? Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, okay? And you can request to join my Facebook group and post any questions or comments. I do ask that if you do request to join my Facebook group, send me a message so I can get you approved right away, okay? And that's all I have for you today. So if you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to helping you. Thank you.